Hi everyone, hope you're well. This is CHILIZ CHZ. Just going to dive into CHILIZ video once again. May I just thank you all for the comments that we receive across this channel, and obviously most importantly your subscription. Thank you very much for everything you're doing to contribute to the channel here. I've got a Patreon set up if you want to join that, that'd be great. There's no hidden signals or anything, it's just a level of support that you can offer me, and so that's all good. And thank you to each and every one of you that's joined that already. It's marvellous. I'm flabbergasted. Thank you very much. And obviously we've got our Telegram group there if you want to get involved in the community there. Some great people providing great content. So it's all good everybody. So yesterday we said that you look exactly look where we wicked off yesterday. This level of support, this 047, okay, because these, like I said to you, when you go up you hit resistance, okay, and then you need to fall back on it as support, as confirmation of support. So this was brilliant. This is golden that we've got there, that little bounce and that wick off support there. We didn't fall through the EMAs there, do you see that? So we're all golden, we're all good. This is really good. But what we do need to see now, obviously we've come down, we've retraced, okay, it was quite a large retracement unfortunately, but we have retraced. But now hopefully we're going to start forming this new impulsive wave, and like I said to you, you're not just going to get there overnight. As you come up you're going to run into resistance, and look where you're running into resistance. Ran into 0.382, your next level 0.5, do you see this? Your next level, look where your candle is now on the 0.61. 8, which is the golden ratio, and like I said to you, if you can get through that golden ratio and back test it as support like you have here, you've gone through these levels and you've sort of back tested them as support. Look, if you can get through that, you're golden, and you look for that retracement there, and that taking up that next Fibonacci extension there. So it looks good so far. I'm not going to lie to you, we look good, but you are going to run into resistance, and you know that by now anyway. I've taught you that. What you got on your side is obviously the bullish cross on the EMAs there on the 4-hourly time frame, golden. You've also got a bullish cross on the MACD there, and the histogram starting to turn bullish. So you got a lot behind it. There's a lot behind CHILIZ at the moment. The volume's quite nice there. Do you see that level of volume? So that was quite nice. It took you up in that big wave there. I would like to see a bit more volume here. It's probably potentially a big large candle like that, body of volume just like that on the bar chart there, that sort of projects you up and actually smashes you through all these levels of resistance right now, because you can see this is the local high in this entire move, in this entire impulsive wave, corrective wave, and as you're breaching up from this new impulsive wave, you are going to run into this resistance. So right now from here, okay, I don't know if any of you took that trade on off that bounce yesterday, but right now that you're up a mega 13% on CHILIZ, with a potential to go up towards that 1414 of 33%. So that's great. If any of you are locked into that particular trade, personally I am. I put some bids down on that when I seen it collapsing. I did put some bids down on this particular level, so that, as you can tell, I'm really happy with that, because right now I'm looking at a nice 33% trade there on CHILIZ. So it's all good. It's all good. This is what you have to do. You have to target support levels, okay? If you lose them, you go short. If you bounce off them, you go long, and that's great. Really good. I'm really pleased that we're holding this kind of level of reversal now for CHILIZ, and it's going to be a long game. I'm not going to lie to you, it's going to be a long haul, okay, getting back to that previous high. It's going to be a long haul, but inside this sort of recovery that we're going on, there's going to be fantastic trades, because obviously what's going to happen here, you can see you're in yellow on resistance there. Hopefully we can get the back test of support on this 0.50 now, because like I said to you, it's quite a tough level to get through, and you can see you're falling back to it. But what you want to see is that back test of support. But as you go up, you're obviously going to hit resistance, okay, you'll obviously hit your head on that. So that's a short opportunity right there. You could short back down to that particular 0.781, that's 786, okay, and then go from long from there up to that 1414, because when you do hit that, you are going to hit your head on that potentially if you don't get to that 1618, okay, because like I said to you, because you fell through the EMAs here, it makes it harder to get through these levels of resistance, and you always be a more conservative sort of measurement there to the 1414 on your Fibonacci extension of the next impulsive wave, okay. So effectively what I'm saying is, as you go up you will hit a level of resistance, and I do anticipate that, you know, if this marches on now, you will sort of roll back there, and when you roll back, okay, you can look for the short at that opportunity, go short, and then you know you're going to come back down and bounce off the previous local high, because that's how it works, okay. You're going to bounce off that previous high and find support to make the next impulsive wave up as we approach and keep going on. So at the moment it's all good, it's all good. Just keep an eye on it, keep an eye on these levels of resistance, okay, and these levels of support that we do need to see for CHILIZ moving on, because you can see that's quite an aggressively sell-off candle there. So what time is that? So you've basically got 3 hours left on that candle, okay. You can see as it's gone up, it's hit a high level of resistance and it's being pushed down. There's a lot of selling pressure there, okay, but you see the bulls are trying to fight, they're trying to step in. But like I said to you, you want to see a large body there, a big volume, a nice big body of volume that just sort of takes you up and pushes you through this resistance now, because what you're going to get, in my opinion, is if you don't start to close above this 0.50, you'll roll over and you'll sort of get trapped underneath it. And like I said, this is the hardest level to get through on a sort of retracement there. And if you don't quite get through it, you are going to just get caught underneath it for a bit. So it's took a mega move to sort of get you through it and get you above it. But what you do need to see yourself doing now is getting above it and closing above it, and then back testing it as support. Do you see that? So back test it as support, and then you can sort of get confidence with the fact that you are going to start marching on and moving up. So you can see that the selling pressure is coming in right now for Chiliz, and it's kind of pushing it down a little bit. So we'll keep an eye on that. Keep an eye on that, okay? Because like I said to you, what you need to see is it closing above this 050. So you need to start seeing it close above 053,379, okay? So it can continue with this reversal that we've got going on here. But it's good, it's good. You can see it found a really good level of support. Because like I said to you, if you was to lose this level of support, right, this resistance becomes support. If you'd have lost this level of support, you're falling down. You're going to start seeing a cascade of selling, and then you start making lower lows, and then it's just a basic like stop and start again and finding a lower low and starting from that base down there. And we don't want that. We want this nice little recovery now for Chiliz. And why not? We're in a bull market. You know, it's gone through this level of consolidation. It's bottomed out. It's got the reversal pattern there, the inverse head and shoulders. It's all golden. It's all golden. But as you do go up, you're obviously going to hit resistance and fall back on as support. So that's confidence to the fact that you are marching on. It's all good. It's all good. It's golden, okay? So yeah, that's Chiliz. A couple of in-out trades there. Do keep an eye on that. Like I said to you, just to clarify, go above, close, start closing above a 050, okay? And then look at some long entries up to this 141. So if you was to see it start closing now and you're not already involved in Chiliz, then do look at that long position from there up to there as a roughly 20% trade, and that'd be a fantastic trade. So like again, just get it to close above 050. When I say close, I mean you want to see the body of the candle up above this. On the next candle, it needs to be above that. Okay, so you're above this high level of resistance, and you can sort of forge and march on. That's Chiliz. Quick update there with what's going on. And yeah, but I must clarify as well, if you do sort of roll over and sort of start to roll under these resistance levels now, and you're losing them as support, do anticipate a bounce off this EMA again, because you can see, look how nice this is. It's nice. It's back testing its support. It's holding it, especially the 55. Okay, so look at that support off the 55. Beautiful, beautiful support there. So it's moving up. Look, and as this creeps up and you fall back and you're back testing its support, it's creeping up and pushing you up, making you force them to them higher levels there. So it's all good. It's all good. Take care, everyone. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.